Hi friends, welcome to my channel. To get the regular notifications, I started my Telegram group channel. So I kept that link in the description box of this video. You may join in that one. And in this video, we are going to see the multiple teaching vacancies from the three colleges. Out of these three, two are the government colleges and one is private deemed to be university. And here the salary is up to 79,800 rupees per month and the selection will be based upon the interview process. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Into the present content of the video, the first college is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. So in this one you can check down that notice inviting applications for engaging teaching assistant on honorarium basis. So here applications are invited from the eligible candidates, and first we will see the departments. The first one is Ethics and Human Rights, and educational qualification is Master's degree in Philosophy or Ethics, and the desirable is 1 year teaching experience. Next one is the Traffic Management and Road Safety IGOT modules. Next one is Information and Communication Technology, any degree or postgraduate in the field of computers or IT from a reputed institute or university. And the desirable thing is any valid certifications related to cyber law, cyber forensics or cyber security, cybercrime investigation, okay, and the maintenance of public peace and order, the retired SP or the deputy SP. So other compulsory requirements for the job: candidate must have the good proficiency in use of computers, typing, surfing of internet and preparation of PPTs are there. And the job profile is also mentioned. The format of application is enclosed here. The filled in application of only eligible candidates should be addressed to the Assistant Director, SVP, National Police Academy, Shivarampalli, Hyderabad. So it has to reach by 12th January 2021 along with the following documents: the copies of certificates and the one passport size photo. And here the application is also mentioned here. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. You may check down. So it is the one government institute or academy. And the next one is the Birla Institute of Technology. So it is a famous deemed to be university. Okay, so here the total faculty positions are at the Mesra and Lalpur in Ranchi, and other satellite campuses at Deoghar, Jaipur and Patna. So from all these campuses, the different vacancies are there. So it is a very good opportunity. But here the thing is that the PhD is required for the assistant professor also. Here the academic level 10, 11 and 12 are there, and the minimum basic pays are mentioned. And the qualification required is first class or equivalent in UG and PG degree level and PhD degree, and at least 4 research publications and repeated peer reviewed and the indexed journal. So here the few points are also mentioned. So the age is below 35 years for the post of assistant professor. The age will be calculated on the last date for receipt of application, that is 15th February 2021. So it is a thing notification regarding this one. The last date for submission of application form is 15th February 2021. And coming to the vacancies are also mentioned here. So you may check down the Department of Architecture, Assistant Professor, the Department of Chemical Engineering, and the Department of Environmental Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, and Electronics and Communication, Hotel Management and Catering Technology, and Mechanical Engineering, Pharmaceutical Science and Engineering, and the Production Engineering. Okay, so remote sensing, and the Department of Engineering and Rocketry, Management, Chemistry, Mathematics, and Physics. Okay, and while coming to the available positions and specializations in various departments at the Patna campus. So in the partner campus also you can check down the different vacancies here. So you can check down that huge vacancies are there from this Birla Institute of Technology from the different campuses. So nearly 200 vacancies are there like that. So the separate confidential letters of recommendation are required to send by the 3 references who are aware about the academic and the research. And applicants should reach the reference to the reference letter directly to the dean. Here the email address is mentioned. Okay. And how to apply means applicants must fill and submit the prescribed application form available at our website. And the applicant should ensure that application is duly signed by the applicant and forwarded through the proper channel along with the required DD and other credentials. Okay. And whatever the envelope you are going to send, it must be the registered post or speed post to the registered Birla Institute of Technology, Mr. Ranchi, so as to reach on or before 15th February 2021. And here the non-refundable DD you have to take. The amount is 750 rupees to these candidates and 1500 rupees to the general candidates, right? So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down, okay, for the remaining details. And the next one is Motilal Nehru College. It is under the University of Delhi. So here that is a walk-in interview actually. The details of date of interview are mentioned. Okay, ad hoc assistant professor category. So number of teachers required 2, and the unreserved category. Interview date and time 30th December 2020 and morning 11 AM. All categories from Delhi University ad hoc panel. Okay. So the college reserves the right to increase or decrease the post. Fine. So the candidates who belongs to the history department, you may attend this walk-in interview. Fine. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. So totally these are the 3 different types of colleges. One is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the second one is the Birla Institute of Technology. So nearly from the 4 campuses, 200 vacancies are there approximately, and it is the Motilal Nehru College under the University of Delhi, and it's a history vacancies. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching the aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts.
So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.